Guys, it's Medina with the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. So we've got an issue with our water pump. Tommy can't hear it as well as I can, but it keeps priming itself. And so I need to figure out what is going on. So let's see if it will make that noise. Okay, it did it. Okay, so that was the problem. That is the problem. And so now we're going to attempt to run down the issue. I don't think we'll have any problem with that because my husband's pretty smart when it comes to that stuff. So we'll get back with you as soon as we figure out what's next.
Okay, no, you should be able to do it too. Alright, Dina's gonna get over here and try to unscrew this thing here. We're probably gonna there you go. She's unscrewing that filter because our pump's making all kinds of racket, and this is what one of the YouTube videos said do to check if it's stopped up.
Hold on, I gotta get to it. Oh, I'm getting old.
Alright. Oh, that thing's nasty and it's got holes in it. That probably is it. We're gonna have to get a screen for this and put it back in there. Could you let me show it down here? Look. Oh, all that stuff in there. And the screen's tore up too.
Yeah, I don't see the screen.
No. We'll have to wash the screen out. Let's wash the screen out and put it back on and see if that solves the problem.
Alright. I'm not turning you off. I'm just going to... This is how we're greeted every time we come in. It's like that they haven't seen us in 100 years. Oh my goodness. We're so excited. Alright, I got water in my Berkey I can rinse it with.
You got the real RVing.
Let's see if this works. It's cleaner, as you can tell.
A lot of moose stuff to hang out.
Yeah, a lot cleaner. Okay.
We're going to turn this pump on just for a second and run all the excess out of there. Alright, turned off. Alright, now she's going to put that filter back on that she's cleaned out.
If she can.
If she can. And tighten it up a little bit. It didn't seem tight to me. I don't know. Just hand tighten it though.
And that's just fresh water going out. So.
Yep. Now put it back on. Sounds better already. Just gonna have to probably go up there and air out the lines.
Yeah. You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead and air out the lines a little bit. Alright, let's see, it sounds great. Let me see what it sounds like. Alright, that sounds good. We don't have any hesitation in there. Pump's not running bad. We'll see.
Okay, so water pump's on, and it is no longer priming. Sorry about my dirty dish. Well, clean and dirty dishes. It is no longer priming, so Thomas fixed it.
No, you fixed it.
Well, we fixed it.
Well, as you enjoy our pictures of our pets here over the years, we hope you subscribe to our channel. We put out main long form videos every Sunday at around 7 o'clock. However, that could change, and as we travel out west, we might put long form videos out more than once a week, but we put a lot of shorts out during the week. We show our animals and us traveling full time, and it sure doesn't. It's totally free to subscribe, and we'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel watch our videos to the end if you could, and give us a thumbs up. We'd really super appreciate it. Y'all have a great day, and I hope to see you out there on the road.